Hello, I'm Amit Gupta, Senior Vice President and General Manager for AI Strategy at Siemens EDA. Semiconductor and PCB design is becoming exponentially more complex. Today's designers require navigating across dozens of specialized tools, countless manual handoffs, and decision points that demand deep domain and expertise and time from your engineers. What if your design team could orchestrate that entire journey, spanning design conception through manufacturing sign-off with an AI agent that actually understands the complete design lifecycle? Fuse EDA AI agent does exactly that. Autonomously plans and orchestrates multi-tool workflows across our entire Siemens EDA portfolio and is open to third-party tools. Everything from architectural exploration, RTL coding, digital and customized C design and verification, through place and route, physical sign-off, manufacturing readiness, all phases where engineers today spend significant manual effort. Fuse EDA AI agent is purpose-built for semiconductor and PCB design. It's grounded in Siemens' deep knowledge of your design workflows. What that means, it scales to semiconductor and PCB data sizes and EDA workloads, connecting all of your tools intelligently, validates on its own, and keeps your IP secure with enterprise-grade controls. This is backed by a collaboration with NVIDIA, leveraging their GPUs, Nemotron models, and NIMS infrastructure to ensure reliable, autonomous execution across this complex workflow. With Fuse EDA AI agent, engineers make better designs faster.